OKLO stock analysis and price predictions for Monday and onwards, 11th of August. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. And as the only person in this page with a 45,000 video track record and 5 years of experience, I'm seeing what's working for me and what's not. So, needless to say, here's the top, boom, here's the other top here. And unless I see the price pull down a bit and gives me a shift, then I'm not gonna look to buy. I mean, honestly, it's pulling down, so that's great, but not all steps of the rules are met. So how this is simply gonna look like is there we are. If I do not see this double break, then I'm not moving forward, and that's where we're sitting at right now. So let me know what is your opinion on Oklo, and if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and we'll continue to keep you updated. Other than that, with Oklo, I do have previous receipts here, 11 receipts, so there is really not lack of coverage. If you want to stay tuned and get free sales, click the first link in the description. See you in the next one. Goodbye.